Welcome to Dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin in Eswatini. Let's get started. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com or click the link below. Type in Eswatini and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Eswatini. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is different depending on which exchange you chose, so make sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Eswatini. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below.